In the world of packaging, every second counts. That's where Fromm's strapping tools come in. Welcome to Fromm's Strapping Tool Repair and Service Center, keeping your operations running smoothly. With over 75 years of experience, our comprehensive knowledge covers every strapping tools. Whether it's routine maintenance or complex repairs, our factory-trained experts technicians understand the ins and outs of every strapping equipment.
Fromm's Service Center saved us from costly downtime. They had our tool back to us in no time. Their staff goes above and beyond with customer service.
The repair quality is outstanding. Our strapping tool works like it's brand new.
Don't let tool issues slow you down. Contact Fromm's Strapping Tool Repair and Service Center.